Welcome to the IHS Green Channel.
The question on everyone's lips is, what is the residential greening program everyone is buzzing about? It's a list of technical measures that, when implemented, will reduce embodied energy of construction materials, water and energy by at least 20%, measured by age, as well as the operational or living costs of a building. So, what do you think of greening?
It's expensive.
It's complicated.
I just don't see the point.
Shh.
Well, we see differently. Here's why. Did you know greening a building is as easy as 8 steps, and you have 37 interventions to base specifications to choose from in 3 basic categories. For instance, take energy. Only a 20% saving is needed, and with 21 interventions to choose from, just pick. How about water? Again, only a 20% saving needed, and such simple applications. And lastly, think materials. Doable? We think so. Quite simple, really. Expensive, I hear you thinking. Let's see. Meet the Normans. They live in an average, affordable home, paying only 992 Rand per month for lights, water and heating. It sounds reasonable, perhaps, but here is where it really gets good. Have a look at one of our homegrown case studies involving a greenhouse owned by none other than the Greens. On average, the Greens are saving 25.5% on their energy, leaving the Normans looking a little drained. In the water race, the Greens are on the lead with a terrific 27.5% savings month on month. Again, we find the Greens in front with a staggering 47% less energy emissions released than the Normans. Much better neighbours if you ask us. Although the initial investment of building green may be marginally higher, somewhere in the region of between 9,000 and 12,000 Rand, the Greens experience much more reasonable living costs and saving up to a massive 40% annually with a significantly better quality of life. So, how do we do this? It's a simple 3-step process to get these greening benefits. 1. Design. Use the Edge tool for design changes. Get your design certificate.
Yay!
Then, 2. Construction. In order to get your as-built certification.
Yeehaw!
And last but certainly not least, 3. Operation. Living more efficiently at a cheaper cost. This involves educating the occupants of the house to capitalize and embrace the green opportunity and the benefits it brings them, including the use of smart meters to measure water and electricity. A greenhouse is only as good as its occupants' awareness and buy-in. But why do this? Because by 2050, over 40% of the world's population could be living in areas under severe water stress. We know that buildings consume over 1/3 of the total energy produced, and that if we don't make a move now, that by 2030, climate change will result in an additional 250,000 deaths per year. It affects everyone. Sustainability is becoming a business imperative. Doing nothing is no longer an option. It's about securing your business for the future. One world, one chance. We have the ability to change things. We have the power to lead that change. Leading the change is the IFC, whose commitment is to sponsor 20% of non-subsidized greening units per year. Locally, the Green Building Council of South Africa is committed to the support and management of the certification process. Even closer to home, IHS and our partner developers have committed to 5,060 green units over the next 5 years. So what is your commitment? We extend the challenge to you. Can you lead the change?